Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to boost your system speed if your system was too slow. Actually, I am using Windows 8.1 operating system for demonstration, but whatever I am doing you can do in Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 operating system. So as the first step, you need to do a disk cleanup. If a system was slow, then just go to my computer and just click it C drive and go to the properties of the C drive and select this cleanup. It will collect all the memory dump files, temporary files, and your browsing temporary files, everything, and just put you in one place to clean up. I'm just going to select all the thing: user file history, thumbnails, temporary files, and the error reporting files, everything. And just a minute, I'm just going to check what I'm having in the okay. I'm just going to select the recycle bin also. I'm just going to click OK. It will ask for a confirmation and just select delete files and it will start deleting. So wait for some time, it will delete all the system files, that is the dump files and the temporary files, everything, and it will boost your system speed. But most of the time there will be some problem with your hard disk. Problem in the sense, it was not the hard disk problem, but the files what you are deleting will be get dumped into your hard disk, so it less some space and occupy more amount of space in your hard disk. So you need to clear those things. For that you can use one tool called disk defragmentation. For disk defragmentation you can go to your my computer and just select properties and just go to the tools, and here you can see the disk defragmentation. In Windows 7 operating system you can see disk defragmentation in this place, and in Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 operating system you can see optimize button. So just select optimize, it will open the disk defragmentation. So here you need to select all the drives and select optimize all. This button was named as optimize all in Windows 8.1 and in the Windows 8 operating system, but in Windows 7 operating system it will be named as defragment. So I'm just going to select optimize all and it will take some time, so you need to be patient. It may take up to 1 hour or up to half an hour, and it depends on the size of the hard disk you have. So you can all minimize this and you can go for another option. And the third option what I am going to say is open the run. The run can be opened using Windows key plus R. Windows key plus R will open the run, and there you need to type a command called temp. You just hit enter and it will ask for the confirmation. Just click continue. There you can see most of the files. You can just simply select all the files and select delete. So some of the files cannot be deleted, so you can just cancel it and you can close this thing. And after that you can again go, fourth option is you can again go to the run command and just type percentage temp again percentage and hit enter. And you to have more amount of files in this place, you can select all, you can just delete everything. And some files will not be deleted, you can just leave it and just skip it. Just select, do this for all current items and then skip it. Since I am having most of the files opened, there are some files which cannot be deleted. Just don't try to delete all the files. Whatever the files get deleted, just leave it and you close this window. Then the fifth option is go to run again and just type prefetch prefetch. It will again ask for the confirmation. Just select continue and just select all the files and delete it. By now your system must be at least 50% fast, but it was not enough. So again you need to do one thing. Just go to run again and type msconfig and hit enter. And here you need to go to startup. In Windows 7 operating system, you can see most of the processes which will be booted in the startup. That is, when you are booting the operating system, the most of these programs will be started. So in Windows 7 it will be given here itself, but in Windows 8 and 8.1 operating system, this option was moved to task manager. So here you can see most of the programs were enabled to start at the boot up time. So I'm just going to disable everything to boost my system. Just disable. I need this audio driver, so I'm not disabling that. I need a NVIDIA video driver also. I'm just not going to disable it, and I'm going to disable all other things. I'm just going to close and close. That's it. In Windows 7 you can just disable the tick mark which was given here, and you can just give apply and then OK. It will ask for restart. You can restart the system and the settings will be applied only after restarting the system. That's it. After doing this all, if your system was not boosted enough, then you can go for a software called CCleaner, which is available for free. You can get it from piriform.com, piriform.com. So you can download it here, and you can I just downloaded the software and I have kept it here. I'm just going to install this software and say how to configure your system according to it. Just going to install, click agree, click next, and I don't want this. I'm just going to select next. I'm just going to run the software. Yeah, yes, yeah, just a minute. Still the defragmentation is going on. I'm just going to close this one and leave it. And now I'm going to say how to use this software. Here in Windows you can see all the options here. You can just enable what are the things you want to clean, you can just enable it here. I'm just enabling all the things which I don't need. Select OK, select OK, location cache, environment path, user assist history file, custom files and folders. And I don't enable this one because it will take time, so if you are free you can enable this option, but it will take up to 1 or 2 hours. If you enable this option, it will wipe all the free spaces. Don't worry, it will not wipe any other data. And this software is absolutely safe to work within. And I'm just going to select yes for all the things. And I also go to the applications. Here saved passwords, compact databases and Java Game Explorer. Yeah, I have selected everything, and I'm just going to analyze how much amount of size I can recover. I am can recover up to 1 GB, so I am going to run it, and it will permanently delete the files from your system. We just select OK and proceed it. So it has recovered up to 1 GB of data, sorry, 1 GB of free space. Now I am going to clean the registry. So before cleaning this registry, if you are confirm about taking the backup of the registry, don't do this. But using the CCleaner you can easily do this. So I'm just going to say how to clean the registry. That is, it will delete all the unused registry keys so that it may boost your system speed. So I'm just going to enable all this one and just click this button, scan for issues. It will take up to 5 to 10 seconds to check everything, and it is finished. And I'm just going to fix the selected issues. Each and everything will be selected, so no problem in that. But after clicking this, it will ask for a registry backup, so it's better you have a backup in your system. So I'm just going to backup. Backup, just save it, and now you can fix all selected issues. Yeah, that's it. And after that you can go to the tools, and here you can see what are all the softwares you have installed in your system. So if you want to remove, just select it and run the installer, and you can remove the softwares. What are the softwares you don't need, you can remove it. So I have most of the softwares which I needed, so I don't want to remove it. And select startup. Here you also you can see what are all the startup items which you have enabled to start at the boot up, and have just disabled all these things. I need to restart my system. After that only the system will get enabled, and after restarting it will not show here. And after that, system restore, and see, this is an important thing you need to do before doing all these items. And you can see in my previous video of how to create the system restore in Windows operating system. So before cleaning all these things, you need to do the system restore. So, and when going to the driver wiper, so don't use this thing because it will wipe all your data from your system. And go to the options. So you know, don't want to go after these things, so just close the system. And now you can see your system will be boosted up to some extent. So thank you.